Young Gang Abiola, and today's video. So I just came back from church.
Wow.
Yeah. Arukame is looking at me. Yeah. I'm going to be styling my hair. My braids are very old. 1 month and.
But wait, there's more.
Some days old. You can literally see my hair pop out of the braids. So it's showing you how to style your braids, your jumbo braids. Like this is just, I can count it. This is
15 braids on my hair.
My hair is rough. Since my braids are rough, I'm going to be showing you other styles you can use to carry your braids. My hair is rough and I'm losing my hair this week, but let's say you want to carry your hair longer than mine and your hair is already rough, you can still carry your hair for like 2 weeks. If you want to style your hair and you don't want it to look rough when you go out, these styles will be your saving grace. So if there's anything you don't understand all the styles, please tell me. Make sure you drop a comment letting me know your favorite styles out of all these styles, because I want to know which one is your best and which one you rock more. This, and let's get into it. So the first style is going to be two pigtails, and this hairstyle is a youthful hairstyle. So if you are married and you want to look youthful, this hairstyle is good for you. If you aren't married, if you are in university or whatever, this is a good youthful hairstyle to drop pigtails. I forgot to do my edges. I literally thought, oh my god. Now you can drop your hair in front. It has a Harlequin Suicide Squad look. This next hairstyle is going to be 2 space buns. Now this is not a high bun. They are space buns, meaning they are side by side. So you can drop your hair, and this is cool. This is also cool. I finally did my edges. I don't know why I did not do my edges before I started styling my hair. Anyway, I was in a hurry because I was already sweating. I have to leave my edges with my scarf, but you can also use the scarf as, you can take the scarf as a hairstyle too. I don't know. The next hairstyle is 2 chini or chonli high buns. This is an Asian hairstyle. When your 2 buns are very high, you can keep chopsticks inside or sticks. I don't know how to, but I'm using my pencils. I like the hairstyle. I really love the hairstyle. When your buns are high and you have sticks inside, it just has this youthful glow.
Ooh.
Next hairstyle is 2 mini knots or bantu knots in front, and the rest of your hair is down. Then when you do your edges, see, if your hair is very rough like mine, make sure you do your edges. It's going to give it a more natural look. Now this next hairstyle, nobody does it. Like, it has this Mama African Yemi Alade look to it. Half bantu knot, half drop. It is my favorite hairstyle out of all the hairstyles I did in this video. Like, I love the hairstyle. So the next hairstyle is going to be Batwa or Bahutu or Bantu knots. Is an African hairstyle. It has African heritage, and yeah, I love the hairstyle. But the hairstyle, I feel like you have to have a face to carry the hairstyle. At least my face can carry the hairstyle. You can lift 2 braids down and you look good. This next hairstyle is very professional in the sense that you can carry it to church, you can carry it to work, and people are not going to be like, are you okay? Because Africans, they complain a lot. So this hairstyle is chic and simple and modest. Next hairstyle is very popular and very simple. It is just simply a high bun or high bun or chuku. I don't know what else to call it. So you pack your hair together in 1 knot. You can put hair accessories if you have. So this next hairstyle is good for when you are going out. You just need a scarf with your high bun. So you are going to roll your scarf and tuck it in behind into the scarf, and you're good. This goes with different outfits. Now this next scarf style is different from the regular turban style. you have to push your edges backwards and drop your hair. I don't even have energy to even do this voiceover, but I hope you guys are getting this next hairstyle. I was trying to get my minis bow, but I don't know where I got it.
Oh, hello, Minnie.
Hi. This hairstyle is simple, like top knot, high ponytail. As simple as it is. It looks bigger because I'm doing jumbo braids, but if your braids were smaller than mine, it would be more finer. Now this is just a simple talk bandana hair packer style. You just tie your scarf in front and that's it. The next style is simple. It's just two braided or two piggy tails but rolled up. So you braid your hair into two, then roll it up. It has this fairy look to it. So this next hairstyle is very simple. You just have to have one bun in front and it's trendy. Like, you can't tell me you're African and you don't know this hairstyle. Okay, this next hairstyle is going to be to the side and not to the side. So you're going to take half of your hair and braid one side and roll the other side and tie it together. Then next hairstyle, I'm just braiding one side, braiding all my hair to one side. That side attraction look. This is two space buns in front and the remaining drop. So you can pack your hair that is rough. Make sure they are at the same angle, like Shrek's ear, Make sure they are at the same angle. Next hairstyle is going to be with my scarf. You're going to pack the rest of your hair in front and leave a few in. You're going to leave more than two to the sides, like a side attraction swoop, but it is not packed. This is the mohawk hairstyle, and you're going to divide your hair into three sections, three mohawks. I love the drop, so I left the drop in front because my hair is rough. Yeah, this next hairstyle, I like it because it has this messy fairy look. So you have your hair packed at the back and you have it dropped. Now this hairstyle, you are going to carry two braids from behind and just make them meet each other. It's going to be like a Korean crown. A Korean female crown, queen crown. I don't know, queen mother look. I don't even know how to explain it. Now this is as simple as it looks. A high ponytail, but it is going to be braided. So when you pack your high ponytail, instead of using a scrunchie, you're just going to use your scarf or something, then braid it, and yeah.
I know what you just decided, we'd be right in the same wave. Oh, the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips.
Now this is just as simple as it looks. Take one strand of braid and knot it around your hair to a part you feel is more attractive on your face, and drop one other side and bang, that's the hairstyle. Simple. I wish I could do more hairstyle, but I was very tired and there was no space on my phone when I did this video. So let's make more back to school hairstyles. If you're in school or you're in university or whatever, let me know so I'll like make more hairstyling video. If you want to learn how to twist, how to braid, whatever you want to learn, please tell me so I'll make them. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you click the bell, make sure you drop a comment letting me know your favorite styles out of all these styles, because I want to know which one is your best and which one you rock more. And anything you don't understand all the styles, please tell me.